If I lost my job tomorrow and had to start from zero, I would use AI to build a new income stream immediately. Not crypto, not day trading, not some fake passive income scheme. These are the three AI-powered side hustles that are actually helping ordinary people make money in 2026. And the third one has the lowest competition right now. Everyone is talking about AI, but most people are using it for entertainment instead of wealth creation. The people moving toward financial freedom are using AI as a leverage tool. Here's the first strategy. Tip number 1, become an AI automation helper for small businesses. Thousands of local businesses know they should be using AI, but they have no idea where to start. Restaurants, real estate agents, gyms, and online stores all need help automating repetitive tasks. You don't need to be a programmer. Learn how to use ChatGPT, email automation tools, and scheduling systems. Then offer a simple service that saves businesses time. Even one client paying a few $100s a month can create a meaningful second income stream. Tip number 2, create digital products with AI. Most people think digital products are dead. They're not. The difference is that generic products no longer work. Use AI to help create niche products such as budgeting templates, business planners, financial trackers, or productivity systems for specific audiences. Create it once and sell it repeatedly. This turns your time into an asset instead of constantly trading hours for money. Tip number 3, build a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of the fastest growing opportunities in 2026. You don't need expensive equipment. Use AI to research topics, outline scripts, generate visuals, and speed up editing. Focus on solving real problems in profitable niches like personal finance, productivity, investing, or entrepreneurship. One video can continue generating views, subscribers, affiliate commissions, and ad revenue long after it's published. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel ready. Financial freedom isn't created by perfect timing. It's created by taking action, building skills, and stacking multiple income streams over time. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to create systems that make money whether you're working or not. If you're serious about financial freedom, comment AI freedom below and subscribe. Every week I share proven strategies for building income, investing smarter, and creating long-term wealth in the AI economy.